Apple has completed filming its upcoming Apple event, which is scheduled for Tuesday, September 10th. According to Mark Gurman from Bloomberg, the company has completed the recording of its iPhone 16 series launch video and is planning to host the event at its campus on Tuesday, September 10th. Sticking to the past few years' schedule, Apple will broadcast the keynote video from the Steve Jobs Theater, followed by hands-on sessions where attendees can explore the new iPhones and other hardware. The presentation will also be streamed online. The new iPhones are expected to be available in stores starting Friday, September 20th, just 10 days after the event. In preparation for the launch, Apple is focusing on promoting Apple Intelligence as a key feature in iPhone sales this fall. Retail employees have already begun training on these new features. Mark also reported that, while Siri currently serves as the digital assistant on Apple's devices, the company is developing a new, more human-like interface powered by Gen AI. This advanced interface may operate on future Apple robotics devices, including tablets and laptop models. Furthermore, a recent supply chain report reveals that the Cupertino-based tech giant will focus more on the Pro models in the upcoming iPhone lineup. According to the ELEC, the supply chain predicts that Apple will produce around 90 million iPhone 16 units. The report also breaks down the estimated production numbers for each iPhone 16 model. Apple is expected to manufacture 24.5 million units of the base iPhone 16, 5.8 million units of the iPhone 16 Plus, 26.6 million iPhone 16 Pro units, and 33.2 million Pro Max units. This production strategy suggests that 67% of the iPhone 16 series will consist of Pro and Pro Max models, while the base iPhone 16 and Plus variant will account for 27% and 6% of production, respectively. The shift in production focus aligns with reports that the Tetra Prism lens for the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max has started shipping from LG Innotek to assembly partners. The iPhone Pro models are already favored by consumers, and this report indicates that Apple plans to continue this trend, anticipating strong sales for the Pro variants. Additionally, reports suggest that Apple is preparing a significant upgrade for the upcoming iPhone SE 4 series. The new model is expected to feature a design similar to the iPhone 14, with 8 GB of RAM to support Apple Intelligence. Although rumors suggest the iPhone SE 4 will resemble the iPhone 14, Apple will reportedly use the same rear chassis manufacturing process as the iPhone 16. The iPhone SE 4 will be powered by an A18 Bionic chip designed to handle Apple Intelligence and other complex tasks. The iPhone SE 4 will be the first to feature an Apple-designed 5G chip, marking the company's ongoing efforts to reduce its dependence on Qualcomm. iPhone SE 4 is expected to feature the same 3,279 mAh battery capacity as the iPhone 14. Current rumors suggest that the iPhone SE 4 could launch in early 2025, with production potentially beginning as soon as October. There is no refresh for the iPhone SE lineup expected in 2024. So, are you excited about these latest announcements? Will you be buying the iPhone 16, or are you planning to wait for the iPhone SE 4? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe for more early leaks. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.